Hey everyone, I'm Jane, and today I'm genuinely excited to show you the exact tool that revolutionized how I repurpose my long-form videos into quick, engaging content. If you are producing content like podcasts, lectures, or webinars, you absolutely need a smart way to get more mileage out of every single recording without spending weeks editing. This AI editor automatically scans your footage, finds all the most compelling moments, and builds them into ready-to-post short clips for you. But it goes further, as it can also manage the posting schedule and keep all your promotional efforts visible on one central calendar. I'm about to break down why this tool stands out, where it beats the competition, and then guide you step by step through my personal process. Because real talk, trying to manually clip, reformat, and caption an hour-long episode every week is a soul-crushing task that feels like a full-time job. That tedious cycle of scrubbing, trimming, resizing for different platforms, and uploading is exactly the problem this solution is designed to solve immediately. I primarily leverage 3 functions on a weekly basis, starting with the automatic finding of truly viral potential moments. The AI engine intelligently scans your entire source video, zeroing in on high-energy segments, powerful one-liners, or any unexpected topic shifts. It then automatically generates short clips that are so well-trimmed, they are essentially ready to publish the second they appear. While you can certainly preview and tweak the in and out points, I often approve 80% of the suggestions without touching a thing, saving entire afternoons. The second feature is the auto-schedule function, which I genuinely think is one of the most magical parts of the entire system. Instead of manually uploading each clip one by one, you define your target cadence, like 2 TikToks and 1 reel every week. The system then intelligently queues everything up automatically based on the posting frequency you specified in your settings. This totally prevents you from losing consistency because you simply forgot to hit that crucial publish button on a busy day. Finally, the content calendar is where all the scattered activity converges into a single, understandable view, bringing actual calm to the chaos. This dashboard clearly shows every piece of content generated, what's already scheduled, and which posts are currently live for review. You gain the power to effortlessly drag posts to reschedule them, quickly swap out captions, or push content to an alternate platform. If you manage a small team or work alongside a virtual assistant, this centralized control drastically cuts down on messy email chains and confusion. Now, I must acknowledge that there are other tools on the market, and some of them are certainly very good in their own right. You will find platforms offering incredibly deep manual timeline editing controls or very specialized fancy audio processing features. The catch is that many of these comprehensive suites quickly become prohibitively expensive for the core repurposing job you actually need done. Alternatively, some tools still demand a significant amount of your hands-on time just to correctly slice and optimize clips for maximum reach. Vizard is intentionally built and tuned for raw speed and the ability to scale content output across many episodes quickly. It's not aiming to replace a Hollywood post-production suite. Its entire focus is minimal friction content extraction for creators. That tight focus is what makes the entire experience feel significantly lighter, much faster, and way more practical for daily use. All right, enough talk about the why. Let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can immediately visualize this in your own workflow. Step 1 is effortless. You simply drag and drop your entire long-form video file right onto the platform's upload area. It natively supports nearly any file type you could possibly export from a recording session, whether it's Zoom, OBS, or raw camera footage. Once uploaded, you initiate Step 2, which is letting the AI thoroughly scan the whole recording for valuable segments. The system analyzes everything: audio spikes, laughter patterns, topic changes, and assigns a preliminary score for potential shareability. Step 3 is reviewing the suggested clips, which is genuinely my favorite part because the AI often uncovers hidden gold. It presents a batch of short clips, typically falling between 15 and 60 seconds, offering you immediate choices for trimming and aspect ratio. It is incredibly intuitive to toggle between landscape, square, and vertical formats to perfectly optimize content for TikTok or Reels. For Step 4, a quick polish, you can instantly add auto-generated captions, which is a non-negotiable win for mobile engagement. You also have simple controls here to select a custom thumbnail or apply one of the platform's pre-designed motion graphic templates for text. If you are batch processing, move straight to Step 5 and choose the auto-schedule option to define your weekly output goals. The system then automatically builds a complete posting timeline across your chosen social channels based on your defined frequency rules. Finally, Step 6 is utilizing that content calendar, which serves as your unified command center for all scheduled and published material. You can easily drag any queued post to a new date or swap out its description directly within that single calendar view. A key personal tip: always strive for the clearest audio possible during recording, as cleaner sound directly improves AI caption accuracy. Also, if you utilize in-file timestamps or markers while recording, the AI tends to correctly pick up on those as strong relevance signals. Never be afraid to over-generate clips. Let the AI create 30 options so you can confidently pick the absolute best 6 or 8. And don't hesitate to take a top-performing clip and reuse it with just a tiny edit to capture a fresh wave of views. This tool is absolutely transformative for podcasters who need to generate 10 to 15 shorts from just 1 hour-long episode. Educators filming long lectures can quickly surface high-value, bite-sized lessons that are optimized perfectly for immediate social sharing. Coaches and consultants can easily isolate the most insightful takeaways from marathon livestream Q&A sessions with zero effort. Entrepreneurs doing client interviews can efficiently mine the most quotable, high-impact moments for a week's worth of content. When compared to tools focused purely on deep editing finesse, those others win on manual control, but Vizard wins on maintaining consistent weekly output. If your main goal is channel growth and audience connection without having to hire a dedicated editor, this platform is purpose-built for you. I want to be transparent that the AI isn't perfect, as it sometimes misses context or trims a moment slightly awkwardly. However, the interface makes correcting those rare errors extremely fast, so the massive time saving vastly outweighs the small corrections. Furthermore, the scheduling features make it incredibly easy to A/B test different posting times and thumbnail variations to see what your audience prefers. So, for your first test, just upload one episode, let Vizard generate the clips, polish the top 3, and get them scheduled out. Pay attention to the engagement metrics over the next 2 weeks, and you will undoubtedly find a few unexpected winners to promote further. If you want a specific setup workflow tailored exactly to your content style, like podcasts or live streams, drop a comment below and tell me what you make. I truly appreciate you hanging out for this breakdown, so please hit that like button, subscribe for more creator tool tips, and I'll see you in the next one.